Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and tap on Home button. Now go into device settings, scroll down and choose apps. Over here, click on Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. Over here, select the food apps and pick one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so I will go with browser, and then all I need to do is click on Opera Mini. Now when I go back, as you can see, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!